These are diseases caused by consumption of food containing biotoxicants, which are found in tissues of certain plants and animals, metabolic products excreted by microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and algae, and poisonous substances. Foodborne intoxication can be classified into bacterial intoxication, fungal intoxication, chemical intoxication, plant toxicant, and poisonous animals. Bacterial foodborne intoxication includes Staphylococcus aureus intoxication, Bacillus cereus foodborne intoxication, Clostridium perfringens foodborne intoxication, and Clostridium botulinum foodborne intoxication. This type of foodborne intoxication is caused by consumption of food contaminated with staphylococcal enterotoxins. It grows at a range temperature between 12 to 44 Celsius and pH range 4 to 9.83. Clinical signs include salivation, nausea, vomiting, and abdominal cramps. Duration of illness is 24 to 72 hours. This can be prevented by practice good personal hygiene, use of spoons when serving foods to prevent contamination of cooked foods, fast cooling of cooked food, and discourage consumption of leftovers. This is a foodborne intoxication caused by consumption of enterotoxin produced by some strain of Bacillus cereus. Emetic syndrome. The syndrome is characterized by nausea, vomiting, and abdominal cramps. Diarrhea syndrome. Patient experience watery stool, abdominal cramps, and tenesmus. This can be prevented by observe good hygiene, proper cooking of food to destroy spores, and keep food at low temperature and fast cooling of food. This is a foodborne intoxication caused by Clostridium perfringens enterotoxin produced in the gastrointestinal tract. Mode of transmission to food: directly from slaughter animals, contamination of slaughter meat from containers, and cross-contamination in the kitchen environment. Symptoms include nausea, intestinal cramps, and pronounced diarrhea. Vomiting is rare and the illness takes a duration of 1 to 2 days. It can be prevented by proper cooking of food and eating freshly prepared food, thorough washing and sanitation of containers, and hygiene handling of cooked foods. The toxins can resist the action of the gastric and intestinal juices. Both strains grow at minimum pH of 4.5. Contamination of food due to improper handling, insufficient heating of food to destroy spores, and spores present in animal tissues like meat and fish. Symptoms of the disease in man. Adult botulism. It includes nausea, vomiting, fatigue, and dizziness. Infant botulism. Symptoms are similar to adult botulism. It can be prevented by ensuring proper manufacturing practices and preserve food processing rancid.